talking about summertime injuries?
Yeah, I want to know how summer got the best of you.
Well, at the end of my 7th grade, I was down some steps and I pulled ligaments in my ankle and I had to be on an air brake all summer.
It takes some mighty skill to walk down some stairs and tear ligaments, injuring yourself, thus ruining your entire summer. I am Alright, let's take that Hurley Clark law firm traffic.
Yeah, see how it's well, here, I'll try putting this in.
We still have problems on 41 due to an accident.
Yep.
41 northbound, that is seeing its delay just prior to Highway 15 and then all the way through to North Main Street. Then 41 southbound, a little bit better. That delay is from 441 to North Main Street, then a bit under speed from there to North Richmond. Also has some problems at 10 and 41. Some congestion is actually causing a delay on 10 eastbound. As you approach 10 at 441, then 41 northbound a bit under speed as you approach 10 at 441.
Because then it'll fill in better. Like that, that's how it goes.
You can still share your story with me. Tell me how summer got the best of you. How did you get injured in the summertime?
Okay. It might hold.
Not too sure. I mean, it's not bad at all for dual welding.
Summer of Savings features factory fresh Prius mic. LB offers a number of different ways to make that 2016 Prius.
They're just a school gun.
Welder like that?
Alright, TIG welder for things for aluminum? Yep. You can use a big welder for it.
Why do you think Lemieux is worth a closer look, Mike?
How to try and get the bottom of it?
Yeah, I just did it.
Oh. Want me to give her a shot once?
Yeah.
Visit for yourself at Lemieux Toyota Scion, South Oneida Street, Green Bay.
Don't roll the bike shit, man.
You videotaping?
Yeah, I wanted to get a video on my first welding project. What? Should be good. That's pretty good. Should work.
Show off your welder?
Hey, I look amazing and the world needs to see. Hashtag, these are the folks. Okay, that's enough. We don't want another massive deal.
Put this way for a
At Cellcom, we build plans just for you, so you can get enough mail for routine.
That's a relief, isn't it, honey? Honey?
Flux aluminum then?
Yep. Yeah, usually you're not supposed to weld that, but it'll hold.
Stainless steel. Stainless steel around aluminum, whatever.
Yeah, even if you're not even supposed to weld stainless steel, they cover it in like they dip it in something. It can be, if you breathe it in, it's like toxic. I made that mistake once. But I mean, it's if you do it
A lot.
a lot of times.
Repeatedly, yeah.
I think you're supposed to wear them now.
Here's the weld right there. It's holding, I guess.
Do you think we could push that table?
Doesn't need anything. What?
You think we could push that table over here? Like
I guess.
stand on that table?
I think it's good for what it'll be for.
So after doing that weld, I was welding on part of an eye bolt that I cut off to go around my vise, so it would go around, because otherwise it wouldn't go on, because the bottom was too thick for the eye bolt to go over, and I cut part of it off so it would go around, support it, and then I said I weld that part back on. And apparently that's aluminum, and my welders, you're not supposed to weld aluminum, and apparently it did it just fine. I thought it was stainless steel, but apparently not. And I did some pretty decent welds today when I was welding on some other stuff, and he was showing me how to weld. That other guy, that's Chasten Fatla. I want to give a big shout out to him for helping me with my welding, because I'm getting really good at it. And I also want to give a shout out to Chucky 2009 and BILLSTMAXX. They both taught me a lot about welding, especially Chucky, because I just watch his videos, his welding videos. He talked about Flux core. I learned some stuff about stick welding from him, even though I don't have a stick welder. Got a Flux core. I learned that from BILLSTMAXX that with like a MIG or Flux core, you gotta pull the trigger, and the wire comes out, and all that. So big shout out to them too. Also to my dad, who told me about how there's a ground clamp, which I saw BILLSTMAXX clamping on. I asked my dad about that, and he says that's a ground clamp, which helps the electric current. So big shout out to them for my dad and Chasten. They don't have YouTube channels, but I'll leave links to Chucky 2009 and BILLSTMAXX in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.